Turbo, hyper and curious cat kid. Mom cat, loving, but easily surprised. Someone shook the whole house, and it wasn't an earthquake. Turbo found Mom's brand new exercise trampoline. Turbo whispered, "This looks jumpable." He bounced. Once, twice, 3 times, booing. The lamp rattled. The couch shook. A glass teetered like a movie scene. Then, crash! Mom cat sprinted in. "Turbo! Why is the house vibrating?" Turbo froze midair. "I think I invented CAT-QUAKE." Everyone, like and subscribe if you would jump too. Mom laughed. Jumping is fun, but outside, not on furniture. Turbo saluted. "Deal. But next time, I'm aiming for the moon." Tiny choices can cause big chaos.